The 2025 Suzuki Samurai marks a bold return of a legend, reimagined for a modern era while keeping its roots firmly planted in its off-road heritage. Known for its rugged capabilities and unmistakable compact design, the Samurai was a favorite among enthusiasts who sought adventure off the beaten path. Now, Suzuki has revived this iconic nameplate, blending classic toughness with contemporary technology and safety. The exterior of the Do Safar Do Punch Samurai is a head-turner, instantly evoking nostalgia with its boxy silhouette, round LED headlamps, and wide fender flares. The grille pays homage to the original model, yet integrates modern elements that make it stand out. Sitting on 16-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, the new Samurai is designed to conquer both urban and off-road environments with equal ease. It also comes with higher ground clearance and improved approach and departure angles, making it a serious contender in the off-road segment once again. Under the hood, Suzuki equips the 2025 Samurai with a 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine that produces around 105 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. While these numbers may not seem overwhelming, they are more than sufficient for the vehicle's lightweight frame and off-road performance tuning. The engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic, both connected to Suzuki's renowned All-Grip ProCharge WD system. With low-range gearing and locking differentials, the Samurai is engineered for real trail work, not just show. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Samurai combines rugged functionality with modern comfort. The dashboard is simple yet practical, with water-resistant materials and easy-to-clean surfaces. An 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital instrument cluster provides all necessary vehicle information at a glance. Though compact, the Samurai offers smart storage solutions and enough space for 4 adults, with fold-flat rear seats to expand cargo capacity. Suzuki has also stepped up in the safety department. The new Samurai includes features such as ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, hill descent control, and multiple airbags. Optional safety tech includes lane departure warning and forward collision alert, making it suitable even for newer drivers who may not be seasoned off-roaders. Fuel efficiency has been improved thanks to the mild hybrid system, delivering an estimated 16 18 km/L depending on driving conditions. This makes the Samurai not only practical for adventure but also economical for daily use. Additionally, its compact size ensures it remains maneuverable in tight city traffic and narrow trails alike. In essence, the 2025 Suzuki Samurai brings back everything that made the original a cult classic: durability, simplicity, and go-anywhere attitude, while adding just the right amount of modern refinement. It's a vehicle for those who want a no-nonsense machine that's as capable in the wilderness as it is stylish on the street. With its return, Suzuki doesn't just revive a model, it revives a spirit of adventure that's often lost in today's oversaturated SUV market. The Samurai is back, and it's better than ever.